I'm going to explain you how to join daily live sessions inside the LMS portal. So to join the live daily sessions, you can open this website eClasses.com. So there you can see LMS Login. Simply click on the LMS Login. If you already registered, it will directly jumping into our LMS portal. Else, you can provide your registered mobile number. You will receive one OTP. And if it is asking organization code, just provide SUFKN. And once you are login, here you can see your purchased courses. Under the purchased courses, you are getting access to your course. Then simply open this course. So this course you need to open at the time when your session has scheduled. Let's for example, daily your class timing is at morning 8 a.m. Then you can open this course at 8 a.m. You can see here there is a live class. That means that class has already started now. So if you want to join this live session, simply click on the join class. So once you are clicking on the join class, so this is how you can able to join. Okay. So here there is a chat option. So if you have any questions while the session is going on, so simply click on this chat option. Or if you want to speak with us, then simply have an option in the bottom raise hand option. Okay. So after this session is completed, then this class recording video will be saved in your course under the live class folder. Okay. Thank you.